Hello, everyone, and welcome to our look at these stunning Vittori Cobalt blue wine glasses. These vintage-style glasses feature a manual diamond cut that adds elegance to any table setting. The durable material is made from thick, lead-free glass designed to resist breakage during your celebrations. Every set includes 6 elegant glasses with a generous capacity of 335 milliliters each. They are perfect for serving wine or water while remaining completely dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The vibrant blue color will not fade or absorb odors even after many years of use. Trust Vittori for premium glassware that brings a sophisticated touch to all your special events. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.